This tutorial will show you how to connect the SparkVue Airlink to the iPad. What you will need is the app SparkVue from the Apple Store. Get it from the iTunes or the app, it does not matter. You will also need the Airlink 2. Make sure that it is charged. You'll be able to see a flashing green light indicating that it is charged. You will need the sensor and the probe that will be applicable to the experiment that you are going to be running, as well as an iPad that is also charged. Each Airlink will have its own unique ID number. This ID number can be found on the back side of each of the Airlinks. Once you have your Bluetooth on, remember you could go to the settings for that, you are now ready to set and sync your Airlink to your iPad. What you will notice though is that each device within the range of the iPad is searchable. So what you want to make sure is that you identify which of these numbers, which of these Airlinks you want to connect. Once that is done, what you do need to then do is just simply touch the connected area, and that should then sync this Airlink to the actual iPad. And you'll know that because you'll get this word called connected. However, there will be some times in which the pairing does not occur. When that happens, you'll get this message, not paired, and so subsequently you have to start all over. When starting over, you want to make sure that you get this message that's not connected again. Also, you're going to notice that you want to make sure you're going to touch this eye, the blue eye in terms of the info button. And from there, you're going to get this message called forget this device. Click on forget this device, and what will happen is that it'll kind of reboot the Bluetooth Airlink connection. Once that is done, you'll get again the not connected message, and from there, after you press it, you should then be able to have a connection between the Airlink and the iPad. Okay, so again, you need your settings, and looking at the settings, you can see which Airlinks are available. Touch the one that you want to connect. Make sure that it is corresponding with the ID of the Airlink that will be connected to the sensor probe. Once you have all these, your setup should be ready to go, and the next little lesson will show you how to then run an experiment.